Hi, today I will be showing you how to create a model by using the AI platform BigML. BigML is a machine learning platform that makes it very simple to perform the complete pipeline of the creation of a machine learning model. This includes the uploading of data, creating a dataset, training a model, and performing a prediction. BigML provides a selection of ML algorithms to solve real-world problems by applying a single standardized framework. All predictive models on BigML come with an interactive visualization and explainability features that make them interpretable. They can be exported and used to serve local offline predictions or be instantaneously deployed as part of distributed real-time applications. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create an anomaly detector on BigML's dashboard and deploy the model to Waylay BigML. We start by uploading our data source, which is a time series consisting of temperature and light ambience data. By clicking on the source, we can inspect the data's features as the source rows. Every sample is displayed in the sources columns. For this tutorial, we will only use the features temperature and light ambience, so we deselect all the other ones when configuring a dataset. We can sample the dataset too, but we will not change the default of 100% for this tutorial. Our dataset is now created. We notice a count of 1680 samples in the dataset. Instead of the features summary, we can also visualize the samples in a scatter plot. As a test sample for our anomaly detector, we will use a temperature of 19 degrees and a light ambience of 600. This should give us an anomaly score lower than 50%, meaning that the sample is predicted as not being an anomaly. We can adapt or enhance the dataset by adding features or applying filters, but we are happy with our dataset for the sake of this tutorial, so we will go ahead and immediately create an anomaly detector. We will choose 150 for the number of anomalies, which is about 10% of the dataset. The other parameters remain default and we create our anomaly detector. This is the anomaly name that we need to copy. We can now test the anomaly detector by entering the test sample mentioned earlier in this video, which was 19 degrees and a light ambience of 600, and we would expect a value lower than 50%. The result is almost 39%. To deploy the model, we will open a Jupyter notebook and go through a few lines of code. First, we import the BigML library. In order to connect with the BigML API, we have set our username and API key in these environment variables. Then we create an input data variable with the same test data as we used for the prediction in the dashboard. When we connect to the anomaly detector through the API, we find the same results as we had in the dashboard. Next, we will create a wrapper class around our BigML model. This is needed since the deployed model will receive NumPy data as input, which we need to transform into a JSON format. This is happening in the wrapper's predict method. We will now create an instance of the wrapper object, and when we test the method with a NumPy array, we find our desired result. Before we can upload the model, we need to connect to Waylay first by using Waylay's Python SDK. We also remove any existing models with the same name that we have chosen to assure that our model is unique. Now we will first define how we will upload the model. We will pickle the model using the DIL library. We will also create a requirements file which contains the library BigML. Finally, we upload the model using our previously created Waylay client. After uploading the model, it takes a while before it is ready for inference. So we will create a function which waits until the model is ready to perform any predictive actions on. When the model is uploaded and ready, we can perform a prediction with our NumPy array as input data, and we again find the expected result. That is the complete process on how to deploy a BigML model to Waylay. Thanks for watching.